Hello, and welcome to Driving Theory Test video series. Today we are exploring the important topic. Questions are from documents category. To supervise a learner driver, you need to have held a full driving license for the same category of vehicle for at least 3 years. What another requirement must you meet? To be an approved driving instructor. To have a car with dual controls. To hold an advanced driving certificate. To be at least 21 years old. The correct answer is D. To be at least 21 years old. What's a statutory off-road notification? Information kept by the police about the owner of a vehicle. Information held by insurance companies to check a vehicle is insured. A notification to tell DVSA that a vehicle does not have a current MOT. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle is not being used on the road. The correct answer is D. A notification to tell DVLA that a vehicle is not being used on the road. A police officer asks to see your documents. You don't have them with you. How many days do you have to produce them at a police station? 14 days, 5 days, 21 days, 7 days. The correct answer is D. 7 days. What must you check before you drive someone else's vehicle? That the vehicle is insured for your use. That your own vehicle has insurance cover. That the insurance documents are in the vehicle. The vehicle owner has third-party insurance cover. The correct answer is A. That the vehicle is insured for your use. Your insurer will issue you with an insurance certificate. What must you produce these documents for inspection? When your vehicle is having an MOT test. When a police officer asks you for it. When making a SORN. When buying or selling a vehicle. The correct answer is B. When a police officer asks you for it. Who's responsible for paying the vehicle tax? The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA. The registered keeper of the vehicle. The car dealer. The driver of the vehicle. The correct answer is B. The registered keeper of the vehicle. What does it mean if your insurance policy has an excess of £500? The insurance company will pay the first £500 of any claim. You will have to pay the first £500 of the cost of any claim. You will be paid £500 if you don't claim within 1 year. Your vehicle is insured for a value of £500 if it's stolen. The correct answer is B. You will have to pay the first £500 of the cost of any claim. What information is found on a vehicle registration document? The registered keeper, the service history details, the date of the MOT, the type of insurance cover. The correct answer is A. The registered keeper. When must you contact the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA? When your vehicle's insurance is due, when you get a parking ticket, when you use your vehicle for work, when you change your vehicle. The correct answer is D. When you change your vehicle. What must you have when you apply to renew your vehicle tax? Valid insurance, a valid driving license, the handbook, the vehicle's chassis number. The correct answer is A. Valid insurance. Your car requires an MOT certificate. When is it legal to drive it without an MOT certificate? When driving the car with the owner's permission. when driving to an appointment at an MOT center, up to 7 days after the old certificate has run out, when driving to an MOT center to arrange an appointment. The correct answer is B. When driving to an appointment at an MOT center, what circumstances require you to notify the driver and vehicle licensing agency, DVLA, when you lend your vehicle to someone, when your health affects your driving, when you must work abroad, when your vehicle needs an MOT certificate? The correct answer is B. When your health affects your driving. For how long is an MOT certificate normally valid? 3 years after the date it was issued. 1 year after the date it was issued. 30,000 miles. 10,000 miles. The correct answer is B. 1 year after the date it was issued. For how long is a statutory off-road notification valid? Until the vehicle is repaired or modified, until the vehicle is used on the road, until the vehicle is insured and MOTD, until the vehicle is taxed, sold, or scrapped. The correct answer is D. Until the vehicle is taxed, sold, or scrapped. When could the cost of your insurance be reduced? When you are under 25 years old. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. When you pass the driving test first time. When you don't wear glasses. The correct answer is B. When you complete the Pass Plus scheme. You have just passed your first practical driving test. What will you have to do? You get 6 penalty points on your license in the next 2 years. Reapply for your full license immediately. Retake only your theory test. Retake only your practical test. Retake your theory and practical tests. The correct answer is D. Retake your theory and practical tests. When should you update your vehicle registration certificate? When you move house. When you pass your driving test. When your vehicle needs an MOT. When you have a collision. The correct answer is A. When you move house. When must your vehicle have valid insurance cover? Before you can scrap the vehicle. Before you can tax the vehicle. Before you can sell the vehicle. Before you can make a SORN. The correct answer is B. Before you can tax the vehicle. We have covered some important questions, but the next 10 are vital for the theory test. Take a moment to think about each one before we discuss the answers. Who's legally responsible for ensuring that a vehicle registration certificate is updated? The licensing authority, your insurance company, the registered vehicle keeper, the vehicle manufacturer. The correct answer is C, the registered vehicle keeper. When will a new car need its first MOT test? When it's 7 years old, when it's 1 year old, when it's 3 years old, when it's 5 years old. The correct answer is C, when it's 3 years old. What's the maximum fine for driving or riding without insurance? £5,000, £500, unlimited, £1,000. The correct answer is C, unlimited. What's covered by third-party insurance? Damage to other vehicles, fire damage to your vehicle, damage to your vehicle, flood damage to your vehicle. The correct answer is A, damage to other vehicles. What do you need before you can legally use a motor vehicle on the road? A vehicle handbook, proof of your identity, An appropriate driving license. Breakdown cover. The correct answer is C. An appropriate driving license. What does third-party insurance cover? Damage to other vehicles. Damage to your vehicle. Injury to yourself. All damage and injury. The correct answer is A. Damage to other vehicles. Your car needs to pass an MOT test. What may be invalidated if you drive the car without a current MOT certificate? The vehicle service record, the vehicle registration document, the vehicle insurance, the vehicle taxes. The correct answer is C. The vehicle insurance. What's the legal minimum insurance cover you must have to drive on public roads? Personal injury cover, comprehensive, third party, fire and theft, third party only. The correct answer is D. Third party only. What legal requirement must be met by a newly qualified driver? They must display green L plates. They must have valid motor insurance. They must have a new photograph taken for their full license. They must be accompanied on their first motorway journey. The correct answer is B. They must have valid motor insurance. What's a cover note? A document issued before you receive your MOT certificate. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. A document issued before you receive your driving license. A document issued before you receive your registration document. The correct answer is B. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. Congratulations on reaching the end of the video. We hope you found the content helpful. Check out the complete playlist. It includes videos on various topics essential for the London Driving Theory Test. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.